Ayan. So, ito na yung pinakahihintay nating highlight dito sa video, itong wallet na icon sa baba. Okay, makikita nyo dito, withdrawable balance nasa $0.09. Okay, pero makikita nyo dito sa baba, choose the best provider for you. Okay, best providers in the Philippines, GCash, PayPal, Lazada. May option rin dito para mag-add ng provider, pero dahil meron namang GCash, okay na yan. Makikita natin dito ang minimum withdrawable balance is a 0.35 USD. And take note guys, yung time frame or yung expected time kung kailan magre-reflect yung amount is after 2 days, okay? 1 to 2 days yung nakalagay dito. And for additional information, meron ding mga additional or other providers. Ang gusto kong i-highlight dito talagang related to sa cryptocurrency kasi may option rin tayo para makapag-withdraw ng accumulated music to earn points natin through Tether, Polygon, Binance, and ito yung nagustuhan ko dito, yung Hedera HBAR, okay? So, remember, Hedera HBAR is a part of the ISO 20022 compliant cryptocurrencies. So, napaka-reliable nito. Ang level ng Hedera, blue chip crypto to for me na altcoin. Kalinya nito yung XLM, XRP, and others, okay? Algorand, kasama rin. And then yung Quant, IOTA, yan yung mga XDC, yan yung mga Syncfin Network, yan yung mga ISO 20022 compliant cryptocurrencies, okay? So, napakarami ko pang pwedeng i-share sa inyo sa mga susunod nating videos. I'll find time para mag-update sa inyo, and for example, na-reach na natin yung point na pwede nang mag-withdraw, gagawa tayo ng time and motion for that para meron tayong proof na talagang earning tong app na to. Compute muna natin tong minimum withdrawable balance na 0.35 USD para malaman ninyo kung magkano yung pwedeng ma-withdraw. Ayan, PHP2 USD. So 0.35. Ilalagay ko na lang rin sa video na to and sa description ng ating video sa YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook yung referral link natin or yung referral code natin para pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin, and baka pag-umpisa na kayo mag-install nito habang maaga pa. Sa video na to, may i-share na naman ako na panibagong earning app. Okay, itong app na to, interesting to kasi related to sa music to earn, okay? So, ang pangalan ng app is GV or GV Radios. Listen and enjoy. Okay, so music to earn app siya. Okay, so disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 Wallets YouTube channel. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Maraming salamat.